Machiegni kendo nya kwa Ramogi. Duol ma arigo kanise NCCK dwaro mondo okas chenro mar manyo commissioners manyien mag IEBC. Giwacho ni mae biro konyo e chenro mag ikruok kendo tayo yiero e gwenge ma opogore opogore. Ne giloso e boma ma Meru e kinde mane gin e romo magalamoro mar 14 mar NCCK e gwenge ma ugwe. Jakom margi jadolo Nicholas Muturi okwayo ni Attorney General ma pacho ka onego som paro kokalo ir doho maduong' mogik pacho ka mondo piny Kenya kik donje e obadho mag chike kaluwore gi deko mag loso weche kiewo. Gikwayo jotelo mondo kik rwak siasa wechego mag manyo commissioners.
As provided in the Constitution of Kenya, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission is a crucial body responsible for overseeing elections and validating nominations to governance position. It is also the body mandated to undertake the review of electoral boundaries. We therefore find it a major injustice that the country has gone for more than 1 year without a properly constituted commission. Of major concern is that the process that was ongoing to recruit the IEBC commissioners was stopped on account of political debates and deal making. We call upon His Excellency the President, Honorable William Ruto, and all the concerned stakeholders to set politics aside and facilitate completion of the process. Further, we urge the Attorney General to seek advisory from the Supreme Court of Kenya on the next course of action following the lapse